Not many places are open during the lockdown. Luckily, you can still get your daily dose of caffeine at takeaway coffee bars. So, here's 4 of our favourite Rotterdam-based bars worth a visit. Coppi Koffie and Fietsen have combined the love Dutch people have for cycling and coffee. They even have a mechanic working there to fix your bike. So, grab your trusty 2-wheeler and head over to Coppi to get oiled up. Jordy's Bakery have just opened their newest branch, located in the Fenix Food Factory, which produces the most delicious smell. This is because they bake their own bread and brew their own coffee, with coffee beans from a Rotterdam-based coffee roaster. So, with Jordy's Bakery, you won't get any more local than this. Roast Rotterdam will take you to the other side of the world. The story goes that the owners fell in love with coffee when they visited Australia and New Zealand. So, you can taste the influence that these countries had on them in the specialty coffees they serve. Bonza Koffie serves a wide range of coffees, made from both local and international coffee roasters. They can tell you everything about the place of origin, the production process, and their flavour profile. At Bonza, you will taste the passion they have for coffee in the delicious brews that they produce daily. Would you like to know more about these places or other recommendations? Then check out nl.welcomesyou.com.